Today, I'm going to show you some tips that can help make your display more accessible. Color filters change the color palette of your screen and can help you distinguish between things that differ only by color. With the Magnifier, you can zoom in on anything in the screen with just 2 keystrokes. Press the Windows logo key and the plus key. Now your mouse will stay centered on the screen to help improve navigation and allow for a more seamless experience. You can also combine this feature with the narrator to help make content clearer to follow. Press Windows Escape to exit the Magnifier. Let's see how we can use Dictation to share an instruction in an algebra class notebook in OneNote. Press the Windows logo key and the H key to launch Dictation. Check your understanding by generating a quiz with Microsoft Forms. Another fantastic example is the free Learning Tools Immersive Reader, which helps improve reading for people regardless of their age or ability. These were just some quick tips on getting started with creating an accessible learning environment in Windows 10.